Hello everyone, my name is Akash and welcome to my channel QA Simplified by Akash. Today's video is going to be short, simple and super useful. So grab your chair because we are diving into the world of automated testing. Alright, before we start, let's have some tea because no testing starts without tea. Okay, so today we are going to learn what automated testing is, what tools are popular, and how automation actually works. Quick video, no long theory, I promise. So what is automated testing? Automated testing simply means instead of testing everything by hand, we let tools do the clicking, typing, checking, and complaining for us. Think of it like having a super fast intern who never gets tired, never asks for a break, and never says, "So, system hanging." You write the logic once, and the tool keeps testing again and again. What's the definition of automated testing? The official definition is simple. Automated testing equals tools plus script running tests automatically. That's it. No magic, just code telling a tool what to test, how to test, and when to test. Imagine telling your laptop, bro, test this website while I make more chai, and it actually listens. Why automation? Why do we even bother with automation? Easy. It's faster, like Usain Bolt's fast. It's more accurate. So no Monday morning mistakes. It covers more tests because it doesn't get bored and it can run anytime. Night runs, weekend runs, 3 AM drama runs. Automation never complains. Okay? So where automation helps? Automation is super useful in places like regression testing because testing the same thing 100 times manually is torture. Smoke testing, quick checks before everything explodes. Cross browser testing, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, even that one friend who still uses Edge. API testing, fast, clean, no UI drama. So what are the popular tools? Some of the most popular automation tools are Selenium, the OG of web automation; Playwright, we call it the new fast and cool kid; Cypress, it loves JavaScript more than the JavaScript developers itself; Appium for mobile apps; Postman and Rest Assured for API testing. These tools are basically the avengers of automation. Each one has its own superpower. How automation works? Automation works in simple flow. First, select the test cases. Don't try to automate everything like a superhero. Okay. Then write the script. Run it. Usually the moment of truth when you run it. And finally, read the report. Green means happy. Red means more tea needed. You got it? Okay. What automation cannot do? Automation is powerful, but it's not perfect. It cannot feel. So if your UI looks weird, only human knows that. It cannot explore. Automation doesn't get creative. It cannot judge the design, like button is ugly, only humans can say that. And it needs maintenance because websites keep changing like weather. Who can learn automation? Anybody can learn automation. Manual testers, freshers, people who enjoy logic, people who enjoy breaking things legally. If you can think in steps, follow patterns, and have patience with code, automation is your friend. So, in short, automation equals speed plus accuracy plus better releases. That's why it's becoming a must have skill everywhere. Okay, so follow me for more QA and automation content. I will explore more automation hacks, big things down tools, tech, build frameworks from scratch, make testing simpler for everyone. So stay in sync. It's going to be very helpful and fun. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you made this far, you officially have tester level patience. Please leave a comment or any feedback for improvement. I know this is my first video, so it may not be perfect, but I'll make sure that at least you get the right content. So see you in the next video.